Hello all. So in your garden you might have place where there's a lot of weeds, grass is growing, and you might want to control it. So today we look at how to place weed mat and how to ensure you properly control the growth of weed in the places which you don't want. Now before going, you need to identify those places where you don't want any of weeds or plants to be grown, and then level up the ground. Take all the weed out. You can use any of your hand tools to remove those weeds, and then preferably use a weed spray killer, or that's you can get it from any of the stores. And then now, once you level the ground, what you need to do is buy something called so you would need to buy a weed mat. It can be a mulch inhibitor, or you can choose to go for Pebbles. Depends on your preference. A mulch would be look like a natural finish, whereas a type of pebbles that you get will give you a very good feeling. It depends on your choice. And once you complete the leveling the ground, you just start laying out the weed mat, and then once you level the ground and then put the weed mat, get a pin like this in any of your stores, and then place it in this place, and then use a hammer to properly secure it in. Here you go. This is how you properly secure it in. Now the weed mat comes as a full roller. You will need to measure your size and use a scissor and cut it straightly. Now this is how the weed mats have to be securely placed. You could use 2 weed mats if one weed mat cannot cover the entire surface. If you look into it, the weed mats are secured by this weed mat pin, which is absolutely required. So now, first stage of laying the weed mat is done. Now once you have laid the pebbles, just spread it out evenly so that you get a uniform look and feel of your weed mat